Well, greetings all. This can't be right, but we are in week 15. We're nearly done. We are in the home stretch. So I just did want to provide a couple reminders and then also an update. And I'll do the update first. And that is I'm still working on grading the midtermish assignments. They're taking a little longer than anticipated, but I will finish them hopefully in the next, what's today? Monday. Hopefully by Wednesday, and actually I'm going to try to get them done by tomorrow. But yeah, what else about that? Yes, feedback. So you look for the feedback in Brightspace in the Dropbox where you uploaded your assignment. And then, we're in week 15, which means we have 2 more discussion threads left, one this week and one next week. And you do not need to consult outside sources for this week's discussion nor next week's discussion. So you can focus on your final assignment, which is due on December 8th. And then this week also represents the last weekly assignment, so there will be no weekly assignment next week. Again, like space to work on your final assignment. So as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a line. I will try to check the water cooler forum a little bit more regularly this week. Try to check in on that daily. Gosh, I can't believe I just said that. I will try to do that in the event that you have any questions pertaining to that or anything else as we kind of wind down. So hang in there. You're almost done.